Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to change video quality on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's do it, and now we have to make sure that we are on the video mode. So let's tap on the video, and since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, so let's tap on it. On the third position we've got video quality, so simply tap on it, and here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got HD option applied, and you can say it because this option is marked, but we can also set FHD, VGA and CIF. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use, which option you'd like to apply. All you have to do in order to change it is simply tap on this option. As you can see, we just got back and the video quality has been changed right here, so it means that from now on you will record videos in chosen quality. So actually that's all. This is how to change video quality in your OUKITEL WP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.